Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll walk you through how to close your Starling Bank account properly. Whether you're switching banks or just clearing out unused accounts, this guide will make it super easy. Let's get started! Step 1. Start by opening the Starling Bank app and tapping your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 2. Next, tap on Account Details. This is where you'll find the option to close your account. Step 3. Scroll down and you'll see the Close Account option. Tap on it to begin the process. Step 4. Before proceeding, make sure your account balance is 0, then tap Next to continue. Step 5. Starling will ask you a few questions and confirmations. Just follow the prompts until your account is officially closed. Bonus tip. Before closing, it's smart to download your bank statements for your records and double-check that no payments or subscriptions are tied to your account. And that's how you close your Starling Bank account step by step. If this helped you out, be sure to like this video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more practical banking guides. See you next time!